This tutorial is for Midjourney and Photorealistic AI generated images of cars with camouflage car wrap. I tested a few ways and this one works much better than others. If you just want to generate the car with camo paint, it may work, but usually it shows the bad results. So you can see our car model, the body kit, these customizations, and with camouflage car wrap. So let's look what we get. As you can see, it works pretty bad. The car have no camo car paint, but a little, maybe a little. It looks very bad, and we want something like I showed you previously in examples. So if you just want to generate by this way, I tried many ways with different words, but it works bad. So I will show you another way. Okay, let's try with another car. I want to use the Nissan GTR with the body kit, but I don't add words about the camouflage car wrap, but I use, this is the most important, the yellow color. So it will be the base color for camouflage. So here you can see the olive green color. Okay, this car is what I really like and want to use as the base image to add a camouflage. So what we need to do now, just type settings. Easier to do it on your personal server in Discord, so you can just add the Midjourney bot. You can find the info about it in Google, so it's much easier to work than in chat with all peoples around. So we have the remix mode. Now type imagine, copy this link to this image and type space. And now we need to type the car name. This is really important, Nissan GTR, and the date of release and the body kit, because if you don't do this, the car will be random car but close to this one, but we need exactly this car. So I type the name of the car and the body kit because we have some customization, and then just add with camouflage car wrap and the aspect ratio if you need. So just look what we get now. You can also add a front view, because sometimes it generates not a front view. Okay, we have these 8 images and I like this one, but it's not symmetrical, but anyway it looks not bad. And I like this one, but I want to make some variations for this one. Okay, this is the final result, and I spent around 6 GPU minutes for this one, so it's around 6 images and variations. So you can see the result looks pretty nice. It's really very photorealistic. If you like this video, don't forget to check my another video about AI car generation with Midjourney, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the future videos about AI art.